Lost your key fob or need to program a new one for your 2002-2005 Ford Thunderbird? This video will guide you through the simple DIY process to pair a new key fob with your car. This method works specifically for these model years and doesn't require any special tools or software, saving you a trip to the dealership. No apps needed. Key fobs communicate with your car's body control module using a 314 MHz radio frequency. The programming sequence synchronizes the fob's unique rolling code with the BCM. This prevents replay attacks and enhances security. The process integrates with Ford's PAT system. Step 1. Insert your key into the driver's side door lock. Step 2. Turn the key to the unlock position without opening the door. Step 3. Cycle the ignition from off to on 5 times within 10 seconds without starting the engine. Step 4. The car should enter programming mode, often indicated by a chime or the door lock cycling. Step 5. Press any button on the key fob. The door locks should cycle again, confirming the programming. Step 6. Repeat the last step for any additional key fobs you want to program. If the programming fails, check these common issues first. First, ensure the key fob battery, which is a CR2032 type, is new and functioning properly. Second, interference from aftermarket alarms can disrupt the signal. Third, check the BCM fuses to ensure they are intact. Fourth, if issues persist, a module reset may be needed, which could require professional assistance. Many Thunderbird owners have successfully programmed their key fobs using this method. For instance, a Reddit user on r/Ford Thunderbird reported saving $150 by following these steps. YouTube tutorials, like those from AutoFix DIY, further demonstrate the process, showing multimeter voltage verification and other troubleshooting tips, and report a 90% success rate. Automotive experts recommend sourcing key fobs from reputable suppliers to avoid counterfeit rolling codes that could compromise security. While DIY programming is feasible for basic setup, consider professional help for complex issues to avoid electrical faults or warranty complications. Sourcing OEM fobs can ensure perfect functionality, but aftermarket universal fobs are also viable options for cost-effective replacements. While newer vehicles are shifting towards digital keys and smartphone apps, the 2002-2005 Thunderbird relies on this older system. Trends show a rise in universal fobs due to the high cost of OEM replacements. Expect community-driven tutorials and potentially AI-assisted diagnostics to become more common for these models. By following these steps, you can easily program a key fob for your 2002-2005 Ford Thunderbird, saving time and money compared to dealership programming fees. Remember to check the battery, avoid interference, and consult expert resources if you encounter any issues. Thanks for watching.